1. The next evolution of AI is unfolding with the emergence of vertical AI and physical AI. 2. Unlike general-purpose AI, vertical AI specializes in industry-specific applications, while physical AI integrates into robotics and real-world interactions. 3. These AI advancements have the potential to disrupt multiple industries, leading to new levels of automation, efficiency, and intelligence. 4. This report explores the rise of vertical AI and physical AI, the key players, their expected timeline for disruption, and implications across industries. Chapter 1. Understanding vertical AI versus physical AI. 1. Vertical AI. Tailoring intelligence for industries. 1. Designed to handle domain-specific challenges by leveraging specialized data sets. 2. Examples include AI in finance for fraud detection, AI in law for contract analysis, and AI in manufacturing for predictive maintenance. 2. Physical AI. Bringing AI to the physical world. 1. Physical AI powers robotics, autonomous systems, and industrial automation. 2. It enables AI-driven machines to interact with the environment, learn in real time, and optimize physical workflows. Chapter 2. Key players in vertical AI and physical AI. 1,500 words. Chapter 3. Industry disruption by vertical and physical AI. 1,500 words. 1. Healthcare disruption. 1. AI-driven medical diagnostics will enable early disease detection and personalized treatment. 2. Robotic surgery and AI-assisted patient care will increase efficiency and accuracy. 2. Finance and banking disruption. 1. AI will replace traditional fraud detection with real-time adaptive risk assessment. 2. AI-powered robo-advisors and algorithmic finance models will redefine banking and investing. 3. Manufacturing and logistics disruption. 1. AI will lead to fully automated smart factories with predictive analytics for supply chain optimization. 2. AI-powered robots will handle warehouse logistics, order fulfillment, and autonomous delivery. Chapter 4. Implications and challenges of vertical and physical AI. 1. AI regulation and ethical considerations. 1. AI-driven automation in finance and healthcare must adhere to global compliance laws. 2. AI governance frameworks will be needed for trust, security, and transparency. 2. Economic impacts and workforce shifts. 1. While AI will create new roles, millions of jobs will be redefined. 2. Companies must prepare for workforce reskilling and AI-driven job transformations. 3. The computational burden of AI at scale. 1. AI implementation requires high-performance computing, HPC. 2. Companies like NVIDIA, Google, and IBM are leading the charge in AI-optimized hardware. Chapter 5. Future timeline and adoption curve of vertical and physical. 1. The next 3-5 years. 1. AI will disrupt major industries, increasing efficiency, but also creating challenges in workforce adaptation. 2. Healthcare, finance, and manufacturing will be early adopters. 2. The next 5-10 years. 1. AI-powered robotics will integrate into everyday consumer life. 2. AI-driven smart cities, autonomous infrastructure, and fully automated industries will emerge. Conclusion. The future of vertical and physical AI, 1,000 words. 1. Vertical AI and physical AI will be the defining technologies of the next decade. 2. Companies that embrace AI-driven automation will lead industry innovation. 3. While challenges remain, AI will enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and create new market opportunities. 4. The real question isn't whether AI will change industries, but how quickly businesses can adapt. Final thought. The future is AI-driven. Are industries ready?